Converting mixed numbers to improper fractions is the opposite of improper fractions to mixed numbers. And for each of these, you need to think, how many pieces have you got in these wholes? In this case, it's asking you to think about things that are cut up into eighths. So maybe pizzas is a good thing to think about. And you've got 2 whole pizzas and 1/8 of another pizza. So if you had 2 whole pizzas, well, the first pizza will give you 8 out of 8. And then if you had another whole pizza, you'd have 16 out of 8, because you'd have 8 pieces in one pizza and another 8 pieces in the other pizza, 16 pieces in total. And you've got 1 more eighth as a fraction. So it's 16 plus 1 is 17 eighths. In this one we have 1 and 6/7 of something. So the whole thing we know is 7/7. Sevenths is what we're talking about now, not eighths. So 1 whole one is 7/7, the whole thing. And we've got 6 more sevenths. So 7/7 and 6 is 13/7. The number on the top will always be bigger than the number on the bottom in an improper fraction. Here we have 7 of something, and the things are divided up into halves. So we're talking about halves. Well, one of these wholes would be 2 halves. One whole is made up of 2 halves. If we had 2 of them, we'd have 4. If we had 3 of them, we'd have 6. If we had 4 of them, we'd have 8 halves. If we had 5 things, we'd have 10 halves. If we had 6 things, we'd have 12 halves. And because we've got 7 things, that's 14 halves. Okay, think about 7 sandwiches, and you cut them into halves, you'll have 14 halves, won't you? And you've got half of another sandwich, so you've got 15 halves altogether. That's how it works to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. This one is eighths. You've got 13 eighths, so you need to do 13 times 8. If you don't know 13 times 8, use the split strategy. And then remember to add on another 7 eighths.